jet shades cockpit version for the Cessna Mustang. And with this one, we're doing a demonstration. This is the standard high visibility set in the windshield. And of course, you'll see the high visibility in the side windows. We always put those there. That's the only one we put there, given the best visibility. They have a slight bronze tint to reflect the light, to give the pilot's best visibility. But over here on the pilot side, we've put the premium, and the premium blocks more heat, more glare. So the premium, they block about 84% heat. These block about 72% heat. And of course these block over 80% of glare, and these block about 70% of the glare. So the premiums are a bit more effective, especially if the sun's above you coming in. And of course on the side window we just have the normal high visibility. So that's the premium jet shade in the windshield. Of course, if you're flying at 40,000 feet, the sun's always above you in a clear sky. I prefer the premiums when I fly this one. The high visibilities, if you would like to be able to see a little bit easier what's above you, then you might want to do just a standard high visibility. They both work great for blocking heat, and they both block 99.9% UV, ultraviolet radiation, which is the harmful stuff. So both will block 99.9%. There you go, there's the premium, and then there's the standard high visibility jet shades in the Cessna Mustang.